How to reset Zion's bank password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset password of your Zion's bank account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser and simply search for Zion's bank account. After you search for that, head over to the sign in option or the sign in page of your Zion's bank. After you do that, you should see the sign in page or sign in section where you can simply log in. But you have to tap on this forgot password option right here. After you do that, it will prompt you to another page where you will have to verify your identity and then they will send you a code or a link for the reset. So just let it load. And while this loads, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, as you can see, there are different steps here included. First one is your username. Type in your username and then your email address or phone number. Then on the second part is destination, that is basically your place where you live and stuff. Then enter your passcode and verification. Just go through all that and finally create a password. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.